Tucked away in the exclusive La Quinta, California, sits a home that gleefully defies geographical logic. The estate reflects European resort sensibility translated into a private setting designed for grand entertaining and refined living. This Spanish architectural residence is a masterclass in luxury desert living, proving that you can, in fact, have your desert sun and your waterfront breeze, too. Massive, pocketing walls of glass pull back to entirely erase the line between the interior and the spectacular exterior, inviting the Santa Rosa Mountains right into the living room. An intimate courtyard with an old-world Spanish water fountain is adjacent to the great room, acting as a passage to the guest suites of the home. Soaring ceilings and strategically placed clerestory windows flood the open-concept layout with ambient natural light. The kitchen area was designed with entertaining in mind, with a full-scale prep kitchen located behind the exposed kitchen within the great room. The primary suite is expansive and privately oriented, capturing remarkable views and featuring a fireplace and dedicated patio, creating a quiet yet substantial retreat within the home's broader scale. The spectacular exterior views are enhanced by slide-away glass walls that can be concealed completely, opening the dining experience to the outdoors. As dusk falls, the spatial flow transforms the property into an entertainer's utopia. Custom fire features ignite to rival the famously painted desert sky, and the geometric pool visually spills into the lake beyond, standing as a brilliant reminder of what happens when innovative design embraces an impossible landscape.